The typewriter in my late uncle's study clacked to life at midnight, keys hammering out words by unseen hands. I watched, frozen, as it spelled my name. The carriage shuddered, ink pooling in unnatural shapes. Lines formed, "He watches you now." Cold breath swept my neck. My reflection in the window grinned, mine but not. The typewriter's bell chimed. "He's behind you." I spun, heart racing. Empty room. The final line appeared. "You finished my story. Now I'll finish yours." The keys jammed, blood-red ink oozing between them, and my reflection stepped out, smiling wider.